The PWAG SERVOSTAR is a high-performance snow chain system engineered for passenger cars and SUVs, delivering maximum safety and convenience in winter driving. Featuring PWAG's patented servo ratchet technology, the chain automatically retentions while driving, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Its innovative design allows mounting directly on the wheel nut or bolt, with all steps performed externally, making installation quick and hassle-free. The SERVOSTAR adapts to multiple tire sizes, ensuring versatility across vehicles. With 3.2 mm square links and 12 mm steel traction bars, it provides exceptional durability and 100% traction on snow and ice. Rim protection is integrated, preventing damage during use, while the StarWave profile enhances grip and extends product life. Certified under EN 16662-1 and UNORM V 5117, the SERVOSTAR is built to European safety standards. In summary, the PWAG SERVOSTAR combines ease of use, superior traction, and long-lasting reliability for demanding winter conditions. The Truck Claws Traction Aid System is a heavy-duty emergency solution designed to help trucks regain grip when stuck in snow, ice, mud, or sand. Unlike traditional tire chains, truck claws are portable traction cleats that strap directly onto the tires, providing immediate bite and stability in slippery conditions. Constructed from hardened steel claws and durable straps, each unit can be installed in minutes without removing the tire. Once mounted, the claws dig into the terrain, creating a stable surface for the truck to move forward. They are reusable, compact, and easy to store in the cab, making them a practical backup for commercial drivers, off-road enthusiasts, and emergency responders. The GreenTrack system is an innovative, eco-friendly traction solution designed to enhance vehicle mobility while minimizing environmental impact. Unlike traditional tire chains or cleats, GreenTracks are engineered with sustainable materials and a lightweight modular design, making them reusable and less damaging to road surfaces. Developed for trucks, SUVs, and utility vehicles, GreenTracks provide reliable grip in snow, ice, mud, and sand. Their quick attach mechanism allows drivers to install them in minutes without removing the tire, offering a practical emergency aid for off-road conditions or winter driving. The traction plates are reinforced for durability, yet compact enough to store easily in the vehicle. The Warrior Winches TROJAN is a heavy-duty electric winch engineered for extreme off-road recovery, industrial use, and military-grade applications. Known for its rugged build and advanced performance, the TROJAN series is designed to handle the toughest conditions with reliability and precision. Equipped with a high-torque motor and planetary gear system, the TROJAN delivers pulling capacities ranging from 12,000 to 20,000 pounds, making it suitable for large trucks, off-road vehicles, and specialized equipment. Its synthetic rope or steel cable options provide flexibility depending on user preference, while the sealed construction ensures resistance to water, mud, and dust. The GoTreads traction boards are a portable, foldable recovery tool designed to help vehicles escape from mud, sand, snow, or ice. Unlike bulky recovery tracks, GoTreads are lightweight and compact, making them easy to store in a trunk or truck bed. Constructed from durable composite materials, each board unfolds to create a stable ramp that provides grip under spinning tires. Their modular design allows them to be used individually or linked together for greater length, adapting to different recovery situations. Installation is quick. Simply place the boards under the tires and drive forward, letting the textured surface generate traction. The DMOS Stealth Shovel is a premium, American-made recovery tool engineered for outdoor enthusiasts, off-road drivers, and emergency preparedness. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it combines strength, durability, and portability in a sleek design. Unlike traditional bulky shovels, the Stealth Shovel is collapsible and lightweight, weighing around 3 pounds, making it easy to store in a vehicle or backpack. Its telescoping handle extends to provide leverage for digging in snow, sand, or mud, while the reinforced blade is sharp enough to cut through ice, yet tough enough for rocky terrain. The shovel's compact folded size ensures it fits neatly in tight spaces, ideal for overlanding or winter travel. The Geoprobe 2060 CPT is a versatile cone penetration testing CPT rig designed for geotechnical and environmental site investigations. Compact yet powerful, it delivers high-quality subsurface data while maintaining mobility and efficiency in the field. Built on a rugged platform, the 2060 CPT integrates a hydraulic push system capable of exerting up to 20 tons of downforce, allowing penetration into challenging soils. Its modular design supports a variety of tooling, including CPT cones, soil samplers, and groundwater monitoring equipment. The rig's advanced data acquisition system records real-time measurements of soil resistance, pore pressure, and stratigraphy, enabling precise geotechnical profiling. The Stalker Track is a rugged, portable traction aid designed to help vehicles escape from challenging terrain, such as snow, ice, mud, or sand. Built for off-road enthusiasts, truck drivers, and emergency responders, it provides immediate grip when tires lose traction. Constructed from high-strength composite materials, the Stalker Track is lightweight yet durable, capable of withstanding heavy loads and repeated use. Its textured surface locks onto tires, creating a stable ramp that allows vehicles to climb out of slippery or unstable ground. Compact and foldable, it can be easily stored in a trunk or truck bed, making it a practical tool for unexpected roadside emergencies. The REDBTR Sputnik is a rugged off-road recovery traction aid designed to help vehicles escape from snow, mud, sand, or ice. Compact and portable, it provides drivers with a reliable solution when tires lose grip in challenging terrain. Constructed from high-strength composite materials, the Sputnik is engineered for durability while remaining lightweight enough to carry easily in a trunk or cargo area. Its textured surface locks onto tires, creating a stable ramp that allows vehicles to climb out of slippery or unstable ground. The modular design enables quick deployment, and its compact size ensures convenient storage when not in use. The Exatrax recovery boards are heavy-duty traction aids designed to help vehicles escape from mud, sand, snow, or loose terrain. Built for off-road adventurers, campers, and emergency responders, they provide reliable grip when tires lose traction in challenging conditions. Made from UV-stabilized, fiber-reinforced nylon, Exatrax boards are engineered for strength, durability, and resistance to harsh environments. Their aggressive tread pattern locks onto tires, creating a stable ramp that allows vehicles to climb out of slippery ground. Lightweight yet tough, they are easy to carry and can be mounted on roof racks or stored in cargo areas. The Insta Chain System is an automatic tire chain solution designed for trucks, buses, and emergency vehicles that need instant traction in snow and ice. Unlike traditional chains that require manual installation, InstaChain deploys at the push of a button, saving time and ensuring safety in unpredictable winter conditions. Mounted permanently under the vehicle, the device swings chains beneath the tires when activated, creating immediate contact with the road surface. This allows drivers to maintain control without stopping or leaving the cab. The system is powered by compressed air and engineered for durability, making it reliable for heavy-duty fleets and long-haul operations. The Ridge Rider Airbag Jack is a practical recovery tool designed for off-road drivers and emergency situations where conventional jacks may struggle. Instead of relying on mechanical lifting, it uses the vehicle's exhaust or a portable air compressor to inflate a heavy-duty airbag placed under the chassis, raising the vehicle quickly and safely. Built from reinforced, puncture-resistant materials, the airbag can lift vehicles weighing up to 4 tons, making it suitable for SUVs, 4WDs, and light trucks. Its broad base distributes weight evenly, allowing use on soft or uneven terrain such as sand, mud, or snow where traditional jacks sink or fail. The system is compact and lightweight, folding neatly into a storage bag for easy transport. The Bushranger X-Jack is a unique off-road recovery tool that uses exhaust or compressed air to inflate a heavy-duty airbag, lifting vehicles quickly and safely in challenging terrain. Unlike conventional jacks that struggle in mud, sand, or snow, the X-Jack's broad base distributes weight evenly, preventing sinking and ensuring stability. Constructed from reinforced, puncture-resistant materials, the X-Jack can lift vehicles weighing up to 4 tons, making it suitable for 4WDs, SUVs, and light trucks. Its inflation system connects directly to the vehicle's exhaust pipe or an air compressor, raising the vehicle in minutes without manual effort. Compact and lightweight, it folds neatly into a carry bag, making it easy to store and transport. The Polair Spider Grip is a premium external snow chain system designed for passenger cars and SUVs, offering quick installation, strong traction, and rim protection in winter conditions. Unlike traditional chains, the Spider Grip mounts directly onto the wheel using a central hub, eliminating the need to reach behind the tire. Constructed from high-strength steel links and reinforced composite components, it provides reliable grip on snow and ice while maintaining smooth driving comfort. Its patented self-centering design ensures even tension, reducing vibration and maximizing safety. The Spider Grip is compatible with a wide range of tire sizes, thanks to its adjustable arms, and is engineered to protect alloy rims from scratches or damage. The Any-Level Lift is a revolutionary suspension system designed for pickup trucks, offering unmatched versatility and performance. Unlike traditional lift kits, it uses advanced hydraulic technology to adjust ride height on demand, allowing drivers to switch seamlessly between stock height, leveled stance, or extreme lift, all at the push of a button. Engineered for strength and precision, the system integrates with factory suspension components, maintaining ride quality and handling across all settings. It can raise or lower the truck by up to 12 inches, making it ideal for off-road adventures, show builds, or practical towing applications. The lift is controlled electronically, with options for preset height adjustments and real-time customization. The Any-Level Lift was a standout innovation at SEMA, redefining suspension technology for pickup trucks. Unlike conventional lift kits, it uses a patented hydraulic system that allows drivers to adjust ride height instantly, up to 12 inches of travel, without compromising ride quality, steering alignment, or axle geometry. This versatility makes it ideal for off-road adventures, towing, or show builds. At SEMA, it was showcased on custom trucks such as the Ford F-250, where its ability to transform stance on demand captivated audiences. The system integrates seamlessly with factory components, ensuring durability and reliability under heavy loads. Controlled electronically, it offers preset height adjustments and real-time customization, appealing to both enthusiasts and professionals. In summary, the Any-Level Lift at SEMA demonstrated how cutting-edge engineering can merge performance, practicality, and visual impact, setting a new benchmark for suspension systems in the automotive aftermarket. The Bush Winch is a clever, portable vehicle recovery system designed for off-road drivers, campers, and adventurers who need a reliable way to get unstuck in sand, mud, or snow. Unlike bulky winches permanently mounted to a vehicle, the Bush Winch is lightweight and compact, fitting easily into a storage bag for transport. Its unique design uses the vehicle's own wheels as the power source. By attaching the winch drums to the wheel hubs and winding recovery ropes around them, the vehicle generates pulling force as the wheels rotate. This allows drivers to self-recover without external anchors or heavy equipment. Made from high-strength, corrosion-resistant materials, the Bush Winch is durable, reusable, and suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including SUVs, 4WDs, and light trucks.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.